Thank you so much.
I'm not a political motherfucker, and I never touch or dabble any of that shit, but I did write this one song, and it goes like this. Undefiled, look at the state of the world. Undefiled, look at the state of the world. Look at the state of the world. Yeah, let's keep it running. But it's more like fuck the world. Try to make it a beautiful place, but it makes my stomach girl. No, we just do not like what I see. This ain't what I pictured for me. Yeah, you're under attack, you're watching your back, cause you're looking through a screen. Something the head for watching the dead, you were never meant to see. And nothing that you see is ever true. So what you gonna do when they come for you? What to fight? Look at the state of the world. I'm all trying to combine. What to fight? Look at the state of the world. Look at the state of the world. We doing alright?